Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. You can add a Visa gift card to Apple Wallet the same way you would any other credit or debit card. So make sure to follow these steps. First of all, go to the Apple Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the upper right hand corner. Select debit or credit card. You can either scan the card or enter the card details manually. Once done, add your billing address and save your information. After doing this, your Visa gift card should appear as a payment option in Apple Wallet. Keep in mind that the Visa gift card balance won't display here, so you'll need to keep track of how much is left to prevent your transaction from being declined. And that's how you can add Vanilla Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.